Hello, hi everyone. I'm Roshan Karim from Living Heritage Koslanda. We have a beautiful 80-acre land over here. So we have 3 suites, 1 deluxe and 5 pavilions. It's near the poolside, infinity pool as well there. And then the area is in Uva province. And we have a private waterfall inside the perimeter. It's about just 20 minutes walk inside the property to have a nice experience with the swimming and etc. And then we have a nice pepper garden. You can track all over on that side as area, and we have a naturalist where you can take your there and some bird watching and all you can do with you, and as well as you have a nice organic garden here, so you can do a lot of organic pickings like for the salads and stuff for a cookery class like that. And then every evening we do a cocktail here for the clients to get together, to know each other, to everybody to come together. It's a good experience for everyone to know each other as well. And then also it's very easy them to travel a lot on this area. There are a lot of places you can visit from this area, like Pilgrim Point, Millennium Point, and then the Ulumi just close by. So all can be experienced if they stay for 2 or 3 nights. The ideal place for relaxing and doing some hikes and everything. And we have a naturalist as well, so he can take you out for the waterfall side or the bird watching. All can be experienced on these areas. So hope this will be a good opportunity for future who would like to visit our property in future as well. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dinesh. This is our private waterfall. This is a branch of Indulge.